Hi everyone, welcome once again to the Android King channel, and right now we're looking at this. This here is the Realme 9. This is the 4G variant. On this channel we've previously looked at the Realme 9i. This is the Realme 9 4G. So without further ado, let's unbox and see what we're getting here. So here we go. From the listing here, we're getting a 90Hz Super AMOLED display, a 5000 mAh battery, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, and we're getting a 108 megapixel AI triple camera. So let's go in. So we get a welcome to the family. We're going to open this and see what's inside there, and of course, here's the device. We're coming back to it. Then here is our charger. So closer inspection, this should give us some form of fast charging. So you can see in here it's 33 watt fast charging maximum. So, and of course here's our USB cable. This aside, let's see what you're getting in this thing. We're supposed to get rid of it anyway. There we go. So this, the case, gives you a rough idea of how the lenses at the back, those lenses are placed. So look at this, some paperwork. So this is an info guide, and then this is a quick guide, whatever those are supposed to mean. And then here is our SIM tray ejector pin. Let's get to our device now. So here is our device in all its meteor black glory. Let's get rid of this. So this is what they're calling meteor black. Some nice black, not matte but shinier than matte, and yeah, doesn't pick up fingerprint smudges easily and looks good. And then we have this stove burner style placement of the lenses. We've seen this on iPhones, and yeah, we are having our 108 megapixel sensor up there, and then with the backup, and then the LED flash. And then at the corner here we have our camera, and here's our power on off button. Up top there's a microphone. Down here there's also another mic, Type-C port, speakers, and a 3.5mm iPhone jack. Then the volume rocker is on my left side, and of course the SIM tray. Let's power this on, see what you're getting. So here we are. This is the welcome screen. It looks very familiar if you watched unboxings of our other Realme devices. This is pretty much standard fare. It's almost clean. They've added quite a bit of other apps. There's the Amazon app, Snapchat, TikTok, Booking.com, and LinkedIn. But other than that, very standard clean experience. Yeah. And yeah, so this is our device. Let's check the settings. By default, this is set to auto switch between the high 90Hz refresh rate, which gives you smooth animations, and the standard 60Hz. So if you choose the standard, you'll get, of course, prolonged battery life. You go for the higher, the battery will go down a bit faster, but you get very smooth animations. Or you can leave it at auto select so that it also auto switches between the two depending on the need. Yeah, that should be really it as far as the Realme 9 is concerned. We are working on a review which should be up soon on androidkenya.com. You can read and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.